Today we will be writing a program on Python to find the factors of any number. For this, we will be using the while loop because we don't know how many times a loop will be executed as the factors of a number can be more or less. So let's begin with the code. The first line asks the person to input a number which will be stored as the variable number 1. Number 1 will be the number of which we need to find the factors. So now let's put the code. Number 1 is equal to int in integer bracket input mode bracket, and then we have to enter the text. The text will be enter a number, and then we have to close all the brackets. Next, we need to set a variable, say number 2, whose initial value will be 1. So number 2 is equal to 1. Now let's write the remaining code using the while loop. I will tell the working of the code after writing it. So here we will be using while number 1 is greater than or equal to x, then the second number 2, if number 1 divided by number 2 gives the remainder 0, then print number 2, and number 2 is equal to number 2 plus 1, else number 2 is equal to number 2 plus 1. So this is the code which we have to write, and this works like this. The person will input a number which is stored in the variable number 1, and the number 1 will be divided with the number 2 until number 1 is greater than it, because the factors of a number cannot be more than the number, which means that if we are, suppose we are saying the number 5, the factor of 5 cannot be 7 or 10 because they are bigger than it. The factor of 5 can only be less than it if they are divisible by it. So if it is greater than it, then only it will work, and if it becomes more than it, then the loop will be terminated. Then when we divide it, if the remainder is 0, then only it will be considered as a factor, because then only it will be divisible. So if it is a factor, then only we will print the number, and then we will change the value of number 2 by 1. We will increase it by 1 because we need to find all the factors. And if it is not divisible, means the remainder does not come out to be 0, then we will directly increase the value without printing it, because then there is no factor of it and we don't have to print it. So this is how the code will work, and now we have to test it. So let us save the code and then test it. We can save it by any name, and then let's run it. First, I will be putting a small number, for example 12, so that we can easily check the factors of it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the only factors of number 12. So the code works fine. Now, if we want, we can put some greater numbers whom finding the factors difficult. For example, I have put here 10,008. If we find the factors manually, then it will take a lot of time. But with this technique, we can find it within seconds. So these are the only factors, and there are no more factors than these. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more.